Okay everybody, this is it, the final test of our golf trolley. Pretty well everything's been done now. That's the position of the new controller. There's only one lug on it, so we connected it through one, but basically the base is fastened down with arrow out, so it ain't going anywhere really. So that should be okay and waterproof. The only change to the supply cable is that I've actually soldered the connections through to the control system in the handle, and I've insulated each of the cables and covered them in other cable and also full of arrow out, so it's pretty well waterproof now, so no water will be getting in there. So all we have to do now is connect the battery and see what happens. So we'll do that now. We'll just open the main handle, so we'll just, there we go, that's the handle, click into position. The only change to that, change really, I fitted a position to the original one. The LED is now on the other side, so we can see when it's switched on. Okay, so let's plug the battery in and see if we have any action. So hopefully everything should be right now, and we'll just do a temporary connecting of the battery, won't worry too much about it. Okay, and we've got a connection. So this is one hand's trying to. Right, it's fully connected now. One thing about that is that the original controller came with two connections, one for the battery and one for the controller. If you save the other connection, it's useful for battery charging later, which I've done now, I've connected it. So there we are, all connected. So, see now, I'm going to increase the potentiometer, the LED should come on. Okay, it has done. So we've now got power to the motor. Let's see if it turns. If I turn the wheel, there we go, it's off. And it's on power. Just move those things, but basically, so it's all open now. These clips out of the way. So let's give it a test. Let's see if we can get it out of the. It's running with its own power now. Still we've got the working golf trolley now. It wasn't really too bad. So let it see if it can find its own way back. Okay, and there it is, all done. Many thanks to the guys at Golf Online, Golf Store Online, and for all the help, and for Neil in particular. And the next test is on the real golf course, so I'll let you know what happens.